In this video, I will show you how to find someone on OnlyFans. So if you want to find a person on OnlyFans or a creator or something like that, then I will show you in this video how you can do that. So first of all, we're going to open OnlyFans, and you can also do this from the browser, of course, but from the home tab, you are going to click on the search icon, and for me that is on the top right, so let's click on this. And then just type in the person that you want to find. So fill in something like the name. So I'm going to fill in this name in here. And when I want to find this person, I'm basically going to scroll down and there I will see the profile. Sometimes it is a little bit hidden on OnlyFans because normally you will first see posts from OnlyFans, the official channel, and then something down below there you will see the profile. So when you want to find this profile, you're going to click on this and then you can subscribe or you can star or you can basically do with this profile what you want. So it can also be the case that the profile you're looking for is not findable. So then you will get something like this. And I'm just going to type something in that will not find someone. Then you will see nothing was found and then you will have suggestions down below. So then you can just scroll through the suggestions and then see if you find a person that you want to add. So I hope this video was useful. Please leave a like and consider subscribing and then I'll see you in the next one.